Hello guys, in this video I am going to show how to create an environment in Anaconda, and I am opening Anaconda Navigator now. If you go to environments here, you will get an option to create an environment here. Click on that. You can give any name to your environment. I am giving it as new. You can select Python or R here. You can select the version of Python or R here. I am selecting 3.6 now. So click on create now. You can see here now it's creating a new environment. It's going to download all the necessary libraries now. It's going to take some time, depends upon your internet speed. Now you can see here a new environment got created here, and these are the default packages. And if you want to add new packages, you can add them here. Suppose if you want pandas library, you can see pandas here. If you want to install them, just click here and apply. It will get downloaded now. Now you can see here pandas got updated. I am going to home now. You can change the environment here. You can see new here. I'm clicking on that. So by default, nothing will be there here. You have to install if you want Jupyter Notebook or RN3. I'm installing Jupyter now. Now Jupyter Notebook got installed now. I'm going to launch it. Now Jupyter Notebook got opened here. I'm going to create a new Python 3 file. Let's see whether it is working or not. You can see that it is working here.